Emperor, I know. Me, how your prowess increases. I certainly did not delay my arrival, since joy feeds you and virtue makes you grow, while youth keeps you healthy and proud, because it increases your valor. Since the Son of God summons you to avenge him on the Pharaoh's line, you must be delighted. Come to port, the barons falter, those with the best entourages and gifts. May God keep them from enjoying them.
Enjoying them.
But since those from there hesitate to rescue Spain and Sepulchre, you need to bear all the brunt and drive the Saracens away and crush their haughty pride. In the end, God'll be with you.
God'll be with you. God'll be with you. God'll be with you.
It encourages the Almoravids, the attitude of those beyond the sea, because they have begun to weave a fabric that will drape with envy and wrong, and each says that they'll strip him of his share, only at his death.
Only at his death, death. Only at his death, death. Only at his death.
But there, it's the rich who take the blame. They love fun and safety, soft beds and sweet sleep, and we here obeying the preaching will conquer by God's judgment on our riches and glory, 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 glory.
On our riches and glory.
God'll be with you. God'll be with you. They mingle their lust too much. Those who have no shame and think their fortune ensures them. And I tell them, as it seems to me, that it is with their head before their feet that they'll have to leave their palaces. Bottle, 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 bottle.
Marcabru is almost beside himself because of youth when wealth makes it fail, and he who loves the most to amass it when he is at his last breath wouldn't give a garlic for 1,000 marks. So much death will make them stink, 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 stink.
With the valor of Portugal, I'm with the king of Navarre too. Provided that Barcelona turns towards the imperial Toledo, surely we could cry
Royal!
and vanquish the pagan people.
Rivers weren't so swollen, it'd be a bad time for the Almoravids, and we could well assure them that if they are waiting for the return of the warmth and the coming of the Lord of Castile, we will relieve them of the weight of Cordoba.
But friends, Poitou and Berry are subject to a single lord.
Let him come here and pay his fief to God.
For I don't know why a prince should live if he doesn't go pay his fief to God.